Today is day 3 of my rejuvenation retreat, and I've gotten a ride to a really sacred place by the Cauvery River. It's called the Nimishamba Temple. So I'm sitting on the stairs at the bank of the river, and there's a lot going on. I'll see if I can be audible over all the activity. So people are preparing to take a bath in the river. Behind me is a beautiful peepal tree just behind the temple. So peepal tree is the same as the Bodhi tree, the same kind of tree that Buddha became enlightened under. So all over India, people worship or give prayers to the Bodhi tree. And then just behind that is the Nimishamba Temple. So Nimishamba is the wish-fulfilling goddess, a version of Parvati, the wife of Shiva. So when you go into this temple, you can ask for your wish to be fulfilled, or wishes. Either way, you can make an offering, say a prayer, ask for your wish, and upon leaving they give flowers and a coconut. So I'm just taking some time sitting down by the river to enjoy, to soak it all in. This morning my day started with yoga at 6 a.m., which was really relaxing and nourishing. And then after yoga, they came and brought me to the treatment room. And once again, I got to receive Abhyanga, warm Ayurvedic oil massage. And then a treatment called Ksheera, where they pour hot herbal milk all over the body. So Dr. Poornima told me I would feel like Cleopatra, which I was feeling pretty royal at that point, I have to say. After all the herbal oils are applied and the herbal milk, it's kind of hard to move and get off the table. So that happened this morning, all before 8:30 a.m. And then I had a yummy Ayurvedic breakfast of dosa and chutney and shatavari milk. And then the driver brought me about 45 minutes to the town of Nimishamba. And I'll show you a little bit more the scenery here, what's happening. Oops. It's a very peaceful place. The thing about India is everywhere you go, every place you look, there's life happening. There's celebration, worship, so much life. And at the same time, there's the presence of death, the realization of the impermanence of everything. You're really confronted with that in India, just life and death side by side. So it's really a beautiful thing and definitely leaves an impression. So I'm sending you all lots of love and enjoy your evening. You can make a wish too. Make a wish to Nimishamba, the wish-fulfilling goddess.